Hello there, beautiful people. It's your boy Investor Blak, and I welcome you back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to make money online consistently in 2023, and you're going to be getting paid for doing simple micro tasks. This is a very practical example of how to make money online. You can literally start making money online after watching this video from the beginning to the end. I personally have made money online, and I'm going to also be sharing how much I was able to make using these methods. So basically, the first thing you need to do are to follow the steps below. Okay, so the first step is to actually create a Payoneer account. Okay, if you don't have a Payoneer account, you can get one easily by visiting investorblak.com/Payoneer. Once you go to this website, you're going to be taken to this page right here where you're going to have an offer of $25 simply because you signed up for Payoneer using that link, investorblak.com/Payoneer. So after you must have gotten your Payoneer account, the next thing you need to do is to create an account with the micro job site. Okay, so this micro job site will pay you for doing very simple tasks that won't take you too much time to actually achieve, right? So that's why this is a very good way to make money online, especially for the beginners. If you've not made a dime online, this is one way you can hit the ground running and make your first couple of dollars that you can actually use to invest in other online businesses. Okay, so the next thing you need to do after you must have created your account is to start doing these simple tasks for money. Okay, so that's basically the 3 steps. So I'm going to be listing the sites, then I'm going to be showing you some information about the sites to check if they are legit or not. Then you can jump on the sites and start making money literally. Okay, so these micro job sites are, the first one is Mturk.com. Okay, Mturk.com is a subsidiary of Amazon. Okay, they are an Amazon site that is used for doing research and stuff like that. So if I head over to Mturk.com, you can see that I already have an account. As you can see up here is my name. You can see sign out. To create an account is really simple. All you have to do is go to Mturk.com and create an account. For those of you that are having issues with the verification, make sure you already have an Amazon account, a verified Amazon account, before attempting to register for Mturk. Okay, that will give you a better chance of being accepted into the Mturk program. As you can see, I already have some jobs that I can jump on. This one, they are going to pay me for just submitting a short audio of my name. So all I have to do is just record my name and say, my name is Kingsley James Hart, and I'm going to be given $0.01. Okay, so another job I saw is this one. They are going to pay me $3, okay, for answering a questionnaire, okay, to the gamers of free to play. Okay, so basically these are easy tasks that anybody can actually do. Okay, now if you go check a website called SimilarWeb just to see how much traffic Mturk is getting, so just to give you an idea of what Mturk is all about. So I'm going to just quickly head over to similarweb.com. I'm going to just head over to their homepage, then I'm going to type in Mturk. Okay, so when I type in Mturk, I'm going to click on search just to give you an idea of the amount of traffic that is coming. Okay, as you can see, up to 1.9 million visits every single month. Okay, these are real human beings like you that are making a killing with Mturk. So that is a validation to show you that this is actually a real legit way of making money online. As you can see, 69% of the traffic coming into Mturk is from the United States, from Brazil, from India, from UK, from Canada, and these are mostly top tier countries. So that means it is something that is very legit. Okay, and as you can see, the age range is from 18 down to about 65. Okay, majority are middle-aged persons like you and myself that are looking for side hustles to actually make money online. So that's for Mturk. Okay, so I'm going to be answering some other questions I saw about Mturk subsequently, but the next website on our list is Microworkers. Okay, so Microworkers is a website that I personally decided to test some years back, and I was able to make some money. Okay, I was able to make some money. So I'm going to just go to my Microworkers account. It is black because I actually switched to dark mode. I can actually switch from dark to light mode. So for the purpose of visibility, I'm going to leave it like this. First of all, I would like to show you how much I was able to make on my Microworkers account. As you can see, I have about $6.8 here, and I'm going to just refresh this just to show you that it's real. Okay, I'm logged out, so I'm going to just quickly log back in, then just put in my password. Okay, as you can see, this is me logging into my Microworkers account. I'm going to click on close, and as you can see, this is how much I was able to make, $6.08 in our today's exchange rate. If you multiply $6.08 to naira, you're going to see that you're going to be making a lot of money. So let me just do that real quick. So if you do 6.8 times 700, okay, you see that that's about 4,000 naira I made doing easy tasks. And you can withdraw this money. If you go head over to withdraw, you're going to see that place a new withdrawal request. As you can see, you can withdraw through onto PayPal's Creo, Payoneer, and ATM. Okay, so for Payoneer and ATM, you need to have about, for this Payoneer, you need to have about $20. For ATM, you need about $5. For Onto, you need about $9. For Payoneer, you need about $5. So if I were to withdraw, I would prefer to withdraw to my Payoneer account. Maybe in another video, I'm going to do a live withdrawal, but for the purpose of making this video as short as possible, I'm going to just pass. Okay, so that's basically here. So in this place, you're going to be getting paid for doing simple jobs like this. As you can see, 0.01, 0.10 like this, and these are simple tasks. Loot sign up, okay, loot up sign up. So all you have to do is sign up for this account, and they're going to give you this amount, okay. So most of these accounts, you're already not a member, so you can just jump on this offers and do these jobs and make a killing, okay. So that is for micro workers. If I should do my another research on micro workers, maybe I go to similar web, then I search for micro workers. You're going to see as well that micro workers is also a website that a lot of people are actually trooping in and out of. Okay, so if I click on microworkers.com, you're going to see some information about micro workers. Let's see how much traffic this website makes. Okay, so you can see that micro workers gets about 797,000 visits every single month. Okay, and most of this audience are from the United States as well. As you can see, 22% of them are from the United States, from Bangladesh, Algeria, South Africa, Colombia, and the rest. Okay, so these are real people that are making a killing from micro workers. Okay, so that's one thing you need to know. I'm going to leave a link to join all these websites in the description. Okay, so if you join through my affiliate link, you're not going to be charged anything for joining through my affiliate link. Okay, so basically that's just it. So the next one on our list is Rapidworkers. Okay, so Rapidworkers, I joined it recently just to test, to have a look around. So I've not made any money on Rapidworkers, but I'm still going to show you how Rapidworkers work. So you're going to be able to decide if you're going to be using Rapidworkers or not. So as you can see, this is my name, my email, this is my balance, $0.00. Okay, so I've not made a dime. If I head over to available jobs, you're going to see some jobs that I can actually jump on right now and start making money. Okay, so I need to log back in, so I'm going to just do that real quick. I'm going to just pause this video. Okay guys, so basically we are now in my Rapidworkers. So as you can see, I've not made a dime from Rapidworkers. So look at some of the offers they have. They are going to pay you up to about $2 for some jobs, and this one is international. So I can actually go for this by simply clicking on the task itself, and it will take me to where I'll read about the task and know what is expected of me and do it. Once I'm able to do this and show them proof that I've done it, then I'm going to get rewarded for it, and I'm going to be having the money in my account. So when you want to withdraw, all you have to do is head over to this place that says withdraw. Once you click on withdraw, you're going to see how their mode of withdrawal. So they say you can only withdraw if your balance is up to $8, as you can see, and we only do PayPal. So this is one drawback, because a lot of people in my country don't have PayPal accounts, and the stress of opening a PayPal account is just much. But if you insist on using PayPal, I have a video to show you how to get a PayPal account that is not blockable. I'm going to be leaving that video. It's going to be popping up right now on the top right corner of your screen. Okay, so watch that video, follow the steps, create your own PayPal account, and you can give them the PayPal details, then make money from this platform, right? So the next website on our list after Rapidworkers is Clickworker. Okay, Clickworker, just like Rapidworker, is another very good site. Okay, if you head over to similar web and you type in Clickworker, so I'm going to just paste that, click on search, just to see how much traffic Clickworker gets. So I didn't type it correctly, so let me just do that real quick. So I'm going to just take out the first, then I'm going to click on search. So this is it right here. This is it right here. So once I open Clickworker, you're going to be seeing that Clickworker gets about 2.3 million visits every single month. This is crazy. This is crazy. So if you check the country, you can see that the first country is India, the second is United States, Kenya, Pakistan. So people from all over the world make use of this Clickworker to actually make a killing. Okay, so if I head over to my Clickworker right now, you're going to see that I'm currently logged in. I've not made a dime from my Clickworkers yet, but as you can see, you can get paid up to 60 pence per job. As you can see, you can make up to €1. As you can see, €1.50, €1, €1, €1. So if you check the nature of the job, video creation, app testing, and stuff like that, simple things that anybody can actually jump on without having skills. So the next website on my list is Sproutgig. Okay, and this is the last website. Sproutgig, just like the rest, is a very good site that you can actually jump on as a total beginner to start making money online. So if I copy Sproutgig and head over to similar web, just to show you the volume of traffic they get every single month, because that is very important validation. It helps to tell you that a lot of people are already into this, so it means it's legit. So I'm gonna go and click on search. Okay, if you click on search, you're gonna see Sproutgig. As you can see, Sproutgig has a monthly traffic of 4.7 million. Okay, as you can see, a very low bounce rate, and as you can see, the major traffic is from Sri Lanka, Indonesia, Brazil, Algeria, India, okay, and some other countries, even the United States, I believe. So this is proof that you can actually make money from Sproutgig. I've actually made money from my Sproutgig. So I'm going to log into my Sproutgig to show you how much I made. Even though it's not much, it's just proof that you can actually make money from these platforms. So I'm going to be logging in real quick. Okay, so I'm going to click on login. Then, as you can see, if you watch closely here that it says earned, you'll see that I've made over $0.0480 from my Sproutgig. And one good thing about Sproutgig is that you can also make money as a freelancer. As you can see, these are gigs by freelancers, okay? And because of the website doesn't have too much competition, you can actually make more money here than on other platforms that are already saturated, that already have a lot of people. Okay, so this is a good website. As you can see, they have a fair amount of traffic, about 4.7 million visits on a monthly basis. So I'm going to just switch over to micro jobs, which is what this video is all about. So I'm clicking on find jobs. Then you're going to see a list of jobs that you can do to make money. As you can see, they will pay you up to even $1 right here. They'll pay you up to $1 for doing this. Watch a video for 10 seconds and they pay you $1. Okay, so if you do 20 of this in a day, that's about $20. It's that simple, right? So you can actually jump on this and start making money ASAP, like literally today. As you finish watching this video, you can create this account using my affiliate links that I'm going to leave in the description, that you can start making money from these platforms. Okay, so that is basically the first 5 platforms that I have on my list. So I hope this video has been helpful. If it has, guys, do well to give me a thumbs up so that I'll know that this video was actually beneficial to you. Also, like and subscribe this channel, subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to be dropping some other ways of making money, especially my new arbitrage update I'm going to be dropping soon, guys. Okay, before I go, I was able to gather just these 3 questions from my research when I was trying to make this video. Okay, so someone asked if the Rapidworkers, if they don't accept Nigerians. As you can see, I already have my Rapidworker account right here. If they don't accept Nigerians, I'm not going to be able to have this account. My account is fully functional. All I have to do is link my Payoneer account. So the problem is just the Payoneer. Okay, the problem is just the Payoneer. Then the second question on my list is how do I put the payment method and taxation on Clickworker? It's very simple. All you have to do is go to your Clickworker. Okay, let's start with the payment details first. So if you click on this top left, this left menu bar, you will see this place that says payment details. All you have to do is click on payment details, and as you can see, I've already added my payment details, which is my Payoneer account. Account data confirmed. As you can see, the green check. So how did I do this? First of all, you need to log into your Payoneer account. You need to have a Payoneer account because it's Payoneer that they accept. As for your tax details, all you have to do is just click I confirm that I'm not tax resident in the US or EU. But if you are, then you have to give them those information. But if you're not, you just have to confirm this, and that is it. Okay, that's basically it. Then for your Payoneer, all you have to do is log into your Payoneer. So I'm going to log in to my Payoneer real quick just to show you that my Payoneer is linked to my Clickworker account. So I'm going to go here and click on sign in. Click on sign in. Then I'm going to just put in my details just to get access to my Payoneer account. Okay, so I'm going to just put in my password real quick, guys. Okay, then I click on sign in. Then I believe it's going to present a captcha or something. Let's just see. Okay, so I'm currently in my Payoneer account. Okay, guys, so basically I'm currently in my Payoneer account. So all you need to do to check if your account is linked is to head over to this place that says business network. Once you head over to business network, the next thing you need to do is to click on companies you work with. Okay, so as you can see from the list below, you can see Clickworker right here. Okay, it means it has been linked. And if I head over to my Clickworker too, you're going to see this green tick here showing that my Payoneer account has been linked. So it's very possible to link it. You just have to set up your Payoneer account, log in, then come over to this side and click on link. So it's going to take you, it's going to bring a window pop up where you have to click and link your Payoneer account, guys. Yeah, so that's basically the answer to the second question. So if I head over to the last question, it said I can't verify my number on Microworkers. The text message is not going through any assistance. So basically, if you try multiple numbers and it doesn't work, all you have to do is chat them up, okay? Or use a US based number to actually bypass that. But mine worked, so I don't know. Yeah, so after you must have bypassed that, then you're good to go. So I hope this video has been helpful. If it has, do well to smash that like button. Also click on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon, because I'm going to be dropping more videos like this on how to make money online. I'm also going to be dropping 2 different arbitrage videos soon, so just stay tuned, guys. If you're new to this channel, if you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for, guys? Do well to subscribe. Have a nice day. I love you guys. Bye.